Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make potato pumpkin recipe with dried coconut powder. Children will definitely love this recipe. For making this recipe I took 200 grams pumpkin and a big size potato. I have washed and diced them into big cube size. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, pour little cooking oil. After oil is hot, add some fenugreek seeds and spoonful of mixed cumin and mustard seed. Saute until mustard seeds crackle and it's fragrant, then add 2 dried red chili. Saute for few seconds. Now add the mixed vegetables. Give a quick stir. Cook for 2 minutes over high heat. Reduce the heat, add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and salt according to your taste and some fenugreek leaves. You can replace the fenugreek leaves like other leafy vegetable, radish leaves or spinach. Give a quick stir, mix evenly. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, then add dried coconut powder. Coconut powder will enhance the flavor and taste. Another benefit of adding coconut powder is you can make this recipe with less oil because coconut powder have oil. Now add some garam masala powder. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes over low heat. After 5 to 6 minutes, give a quick stir. Our potato pumpkin recipe is ready. Serve this dish with fulka roti or chapati. Thanks for watching.